If you'd like to see how I get rid of my maple tree trunk with just Epsom salt, keep watching. Okay, so a maple tree kind of took over my grapevine tree, and so my husband is helping me clean this area. Okay, so we end up having to cut the chain fence. We have two double fence. We have the chain link, and then we have the white fence. And this is the maple tree that just kind of like, I'm sure one of the birds dropped one of the wild seeds or whatever, but this is an eyesore for me and I want it out. And my husband, thank God, is helping me get this out. So this new area will be my flower bed. I had two roses at the end over here, and I went ahead and took those out because I ordered some, I believe it was 2 or 3 Austin roses, and they'll be here in the spring. So I'm clearing this whole area. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and subscribe. You want to see how I finish my garden, my winter cleanup, and how we eventually end up getting this maple tree out of this area. If it was in any other area, I would enjoy it. We did not plant it there, so keep watching. So the question is, will I have grapes again? So because the maple tree really damaged, it just kind of like took over the area and it kind of damaged my grapes. Will I ever have grapes again? My husband ended up cutting the grapes down, and this is the maple tree. It's best to use about 2 gallons of water to 1 gallon of Epsom salt. And once you've mixed the solution together, all you have to do is just pour it over the stump you want to get rid of. And I went ahead and dug a little bit of Epsom salt around the roots. It doesn't show in this video. I thought I was recording, but I didn't. You just cover the stump. You can cover it with the dirt. After this video, I'll just cover it with a little bit of tarp, and then I'll repeat the process about once a week until the roots are completely dead. So yeah, that's my little tip. If you have a tree stump or something that you want to get rid of, it's hard to pull the roots out of the ground because of the location of the maple tree. It's in between the fence on the other side of our neighbors and ours. We'd have to take the whole fence down. And so yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the Epsom salt. I've done it before with my roses, and I didn't show that in the video. They were pretty much dying off, and so I was like, you know what, one of them I couldn't get the roots out. I added the Epsom salt and it actually worked. So I just wanted to give you a little tip. Yeah, who would have known Epsom salt? Yeah, so we're trying to finish up the last minute cleanup and getting ready for our spring garden. We are getting snow tomorrow, so yeah, we're out here doing what we can, and then arranging everything so that we will prepare for this snow. So have a wonderful day. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Blessings. So a little bit of the garden. Did a lot of cleanup. Hopefully you're doing the same.